Hello everyone, it's me Angel again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Para sa ating mga SSS pensioners dyan, may paalala ulit guys si SSS para doon sa mga dapat mag-comply ng inyong AKOP for this month of April 2024. According to SSS, attention all pensioners scheduled for AKOP for the month of April. You may now submit your compliance before the end of the month to ensure continuous receipt of your pensions. So, bukas guys, hanggang bukas na lang po ito, April 30, 2024, no? Kaya make sure po sa mga dapat mag-comply ng AKOP for April. Mag-comply na po kayo guys para hindi po magkaroon ng problema ang payout nyo dyan sa inyong pension na nare-receive monthly. Sino ba dapat ang mag-comply ng SSS AKOP? Number 1, retirement pensioners residing abroad. Number 2, retirement pensioners residing in the Philippines who are 80 years old and above. Total disability pensioners, death survivorship pensioners, and dependent children under guardianship. So sa schedule ng compliance guys, para dito sa tatlo, sa retirement pensioners residing abroad, retirement pensioners residing in the Philippines who are 80 years old and above, and total disability pensioners, ang schedule po ng compliance, birth month of the pensioner or member. Okay? Ulitin ko po, birth month of the pensioner or member. And para naman sa death survivorship pensioners and dependent children under guardianship, schedule of compliance po, birth month of the deceased member. No? Birth month of the deceased member. Paalala din po guys ha, ang mag-comply lang po, yung mga nandito sa Pilipinas ay 80 years old above. So, exempted po ang mga below 80 years old. No need po na mag-comply kayo ng AKOP according to SSS. At isa pa pong paalala ni SSS, retirement pensioners who are also death survivorship pensioners are required to accomplish and submit 2 separate AKOP reply forms. Kailangan pong mag-submit ng 2 separate AKOP reply forms. Para doon sa mga hindi pa nakapag-comply ng AKOP, guys, kung paano mag-comply ng AKOP, meron po akong separate video niyan. Nasa description po ng video na to. Alright, so yan po ang aking hatid na information from SSS with regards to AKOP compliance. Thank you so much for watching everyone. God bless!